Today we will be making corn husk dolls. For this activity, you will need a few supplies. You will need some corn husks, which can be purchased in a bag in the fresh vegetable and fruit section of your local grocery store. Either Walmart or Fiesta are good places to find them. You will need string and a pair of scissors. Once you have your supplies, you will take your corn husks and you will soak them in a bowl of water. Just take about 7 or 8 of them and have them soak for about 10 or 15 minutes. They'll start to soften as they soak. What you're going to do is you are going to take about 3 or 4 of those corn husks that you just softened in the water, line them up at the top, take a piece of pre-cut string. What you're going to do is you're going to tie it around the top, just knot it. Do a double knot so it stays put. Take your scissors, cut the excess off, and then gently take the corn husks. You're going to flip them over that knot you just put in there. Take a second piece of string, tie it around your corn husk. At this point, you're forming the head of the doll. Tie a knot. Cut your excess off. Now you'll need one more corn husk. I typically try and find a smaller piece. So you've got your extra corn husk. You're now going to separate the corn husks in your doll, slide it in between. You're forming the arms of the doll right now. Take your third piece of string that you've cut and tie it around the waist of the doll. A double knot. Cut your excess off. Right now the arms of the doll are sort of long. You can always trim them. If needed, you can also trim the bottom of the doll. But now you have your corn husk doll. And just let it sit out overnight to dry. And then afterwards, you will have a doll that you can play with.